Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what?
Welcome.
It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah.
I may have a bit of a proposition for you involving the Germain family. You so
I'm so
recently
glad you're
assisted.
here. Today's a special day. It's my birthday.
It was kind
That's right.
of you to
I was
escort
born
the Germains
14
back to
Whipplings
Weatherly.
ago. This
However,
very day.
the original
my
owner
home
of
planet.
Weatherly left them
Today
an
we're going
even
to
greater
celebrate my
legacy.
birthday. Would you like
In
to
fact,
join us?
there's
It would
quite
be
a bit
even
more to
truly,
their
truly
family
better
history
if you can
than
be with
meets
us.
the eye.
Can you come?
Want to hear about it?
You can. That's truly,
Excellent.
terrific.
Curiosity should never be denied, is it not so? And who knows,
Galloping
my story
Galaxy.
may prove
I'm so
profitable
glad
to
you're
both
here.
of us once it has
Today's
come
a
to its
special
end.
day. It's
My tale
birthday.
actually
That's
begins
right.
with the father,
I was born
Albert
14
Germain.
Whipplings ago.
He was once
This
in my
very
employ,
day.
or should
My
I
home
say,
planet.
the employer of my
Today we're going to
organization.
celebrate my birthday.
He was very
Like to
good at
join us?
obtaining
It
things
would
that
be
people did
even
not want
truly,
to
truly
part.
better if you can be
A
with
professional
us.
thief,
Can
to
you
put it
come?
bluntly. He was
can.
assigned to
That's
obtain a
truly
very valuable
terrific.
item. He succeeded, but decided to keep this item for
Galloping
himself.
Galaxy.
An
I'm so glad you're
unfortunate
here.
decision.
Today's a special day.
He fled from
It's
Cornwall
my
with his
birthday.
family
That's
and was
right.
never
I was
heard
born
from
14
again.
Whipplings
Only
ago.
his small
This
son,
very
Reynard,
day.
was
My
found,
home
wandering
planet.
around in the wilderness.
Today we're going to celebrate my birthday.
Naturally, my
Would you like to
associates
join us?
believed he had
It would be
perished.
even truly,
The wilderness
truly
is,
better
after
if
all,
you
a
can be with us.
dangerous place.
Can you come?
No place to take your
You
family.
can. That's truly,
Then,
truly
these
terrific.
many years later, voila, the brother reappears.
Galloping
It seems the
Galaxy.
rest of the
I'm
family
so
did
glad
not
you're
die
here.
in the wilderness
Today's
after
a
all.
special day. It's my birthday. That's right. I was born
Indeed.
14
What is the
Whipplings
point of my
ago.
tale?
This very
Albert
day.
Germain
My home
builds
planet.
Weatherly way out
Today
in the
we're
middle
going to
of nowhere.
celebrate my birthday.
He was a
Would you like
thief,
to join
not
us?
a farmer.
It would be
The
even
only
truly,
reason
truly
to
better
establish
if
such a
you can be
place
with us.
would be to
Can
stay
you
out
come?
of the Coral Guard's
You
sight.
can. That's truly,
I believe that the
truly
item
terrific.
Albert stole, which rightly belongs to me, was hidden
Galloping
at the Weatherly
Galaxy.
settlement.
I'm so glad you're here.
Unfortunately,
Today's a special
the notorious
day.
Red
It's
Guard
my
Valley
birthday.
ogres ransacked
That's right.
the place
I was born
and probably
14
took all of the
Whipplings
loot
ago.
back with
This
them.
very day. My
If you
home
were
planet.
to obtain this
Today we're
item
going to
somehow
celebrate my birthday.
and bring it to me,
Would you like to
I would
join
pay
us?
you
It
very
would be
well.
even truly, truly better.
I can get
if
you
could be
started
with
by
us.
telling you where
Can
the
you
ogres
come?
live. The rest
You
is up
can.
to you.
That's truly, truly terrific.
There isn't much to tell you about Albert Germain. He was one of my
Galaxy.
best.
I'm
Then
so
he
glad
got
you're
banned.
here. Today's
The rest
a special
is
day.
history.
It's my birthday. That's right.
Gilbert
I was
and
born
Reynard
14
know nothing of their
Whipplings
father's
ago.
past
This
deeds.
very day.
If you want to
My
tell them
home
about
planet.
it, suit
Today
yourself.
we're going to celebrate my birthday. Would you like to join us?
I do not
It
care
would
to
be
describe
even
it.
truly,
You will
truly
know it
better
when you see it,
if you
actually.
can be with us.
It is not
Can you
something
come?
one of the ogres should have in
You
his
can.
possession.
That's truly, truly terrific.
Beware.
Hi,
The Red
I'm
Guard Valley
Gerbert.
ogres
Hey,
will not
you know
let
what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close to this. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch close to listen. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll hear God talk to us. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll see you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll hear God talk to us. See you after the show.
What's new?
Welcome.
My father was a great man. I'll not hear your lies.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. Listen. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why?
Hello again.
I barely touched anything. I'm sure that
I can't
whatever
accept
my
what you're
alteration
implying
may
without
have
some
occurred
proof
will
of the
be
crime.
completely Unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My
No, we
hair
meet
is
again.
completely different.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So what we gotta do is watch real close and listen.
A pleasure to see you. Hello, I'm Leith Waverick, the Chief Herald and Countess Velga's
Could you take
attendant. Welcome
me
to
up to see
court.
him right now? Nancy simply must get the
Many years
sunshine
ago,
she
we
needs.
happened so
But it
long.
isn't
A
bright
daring
sunny
thief
day
stole
down
the
where
ancient
we
honor
are.
blade of Coral.
And I'm afraid
Now, Miss
something
Garrison,
awful will
why?
happen to our Nancy. They say that
This
you are
is
the
incredible.
greatest actor in
I
the
never
world.
thought to see the sword
And
again.
I'm sure
How
that
did you?
you'll just see her.
Never mind.
She'll get well.
One should not look at gift horses.
Please, Mr. Sun.
Please accept my thanks on behalf of the people of Coral for restoring this sword and the honor of our city. As a token of our gratitude, I bestow upon you a symbol of honor and heroism, this touching of Coral. You've done a great service to Coral, and you should be
Could you take me up
proud.
to see him right now? Nancy
The Countess
said we
is in
must get the
attendance.
sunshine
Proper
she needs,
etiquette
but it
is
isn't a
expected.
bright sunny day down where we are.
Very well.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So what we gotta do is watch real close and listen.
What's new?
See you after the
So
show.
long. You have something to tell me about my father? I'm at a loss for words. Already I've heard that the honor blade rests again in Castle Coral, and the escutcheon of coral you have is all the proof I need. My father had told us that he had hidden something away for us, something to provide for our future, but I never imagined it was this. I'm sorry you had to be tasked to right this wrong that my father was responsible for. Once again, you've stuck your neck out for us. Maybe in the past my family was notorious, but never let it be said that the current Germains don't pay their dues.
Yes, master.
I'd like you to have this keepsake. My father gave it to me when I was but a lad. I think you should have it.
Yes, master.
Thanks again, my friend. You are always
Yes,
welcome in our
master.
home.
Hi.
Honor
Hi,
suits
I'm
you well.
Gerbert. Hey,
May your
you know
journeys
what?
always be safe.